You're like the Mary Tyler Moore of babies. Hey, your little hat. Look. You say good morning. We're walking on the beach again. Oh, she's heavy and I'm out of breath. Happy baby on the kitchen island. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm not as exciting as Mickey Mouse. Good morning. You say hi. Hi. Okay, bye. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to our Tuesday. Oh, of course. You say hi now. Say hi. Whatever. Our Tuesday, your Wednesday, but everyone's good day, right? It's a gorgeous day out there. If it'll focus. Maybe it's not for you. So yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee that Daniel made for me. Boop. I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast. I'm probably gonna figure out what to do with this hair. The humidity makes me look like a crazy person. We may run to the store. Probably gonna relax, do a little beach time today. So, it's gonna be a good day. We have a lot going on. There's an architect here looking at the house. They're looking at plans. And Tali's hanging out in the corner for some reason. And dropping Cheerios everywhere. Can you say hi? Hi. These fish scare me. I'm so terrified. Was that the last expression it had?
Yep.
Was it really?
I don't know.
I mean, this one's like, oh my god. And this one's like, I know what lies beneath the darkness in the water.
Jesus.
And this one's like, make money, make money. Look at that tiny view of the Gulf. It's right there. The tiny view of the water. Right there. Tiny view. Look at these, please. Everyone look at these shoes. They're unicorn shoes. And they're amazing. She's wearing a Peppa tutu bathing suit and furry unicorn shoes. This is a fashion icon. Her name's Thalia. Hey, do you want to go swim?
Push it this way. Oh, can I make it? I can make it. Ready? Nailed it. Nailed it. How's my hair? How's my hair?
Great, like you've always wanted.
No, it's not working. So I had a brief gap in my schedule. It's about an hour gap, which is pretty nice. Well, it's weird because we're on Central Time here, and all my work is based Eastern, so like my lunch break is at 11 o'clock in the morning. So I've just been working through it. It all balances out. But either way, have a break. So
Here, let's go stand.
take a little second to ourselves and enjoy this beautiful day. really is. It's a beautiful day outside. And someone wants to jump in the pool. You want to jump in? Do you want to come in? Yeah? Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come here. He's too afraid to jump. Good boy. There you go. My little water dog. Good job, buddy. Proud of you.
Daniel had to work. Look at those crazy shoes. Daniel had to work, so we are picking up everything for dinner. Getting out of the house with our cool shoes. It's so hot, I'm sweating, oh my gosh. Woo! I remember summer in Florida. It is definitely intense. I got everything I needed. Super easy. She was great. She had a rice cake. We were good to go. She was flirting with everybody she passed. Now we're locked and loaded. She's got Peppa on. We're gonna drive back. Alexia or the ball? Keep getting post dinner walk to the beach.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Good job.
Grab it from anywhere.
I know. She wants to go very far away.
It's special sand.
It's sourced.
That was a fun day.
Did you have fun?
So, we'll leave you guys here because as you see, storms are coming.
Oof.
But we will see you tomorrow. Thank you again. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you again for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Tali, tell Bogey to sit down. Sit down, Bogey.